Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, there is a very good news for all of you from Infosys team. So many candidates got the joining mail that is related to 19 December joining today itself. So many candidates DM me on Instagram today that we are also waiting, like we are waiting for the Infosys joining letter, and today I got the mail that is related like there is a joining on 19 December. One of the most important point from the Infosys, like they are scheduling so many joinings in the November to December phase, and the 19th December joining is for so many candidates. This is a final video that is related to Infosys joining, like when Infosys released or when they will send the joining related to April and remaining candidates. Okay, like if you are selected in April and if you got the selection mail on April and if you are still waiting, Capgemini direct hiring for the 2022 batch 19 December joining is for so many phases. Wipro start onboarding for more than 1000 freshers. Let's start the video, and all the videos are for all of you, so please check and support us. Let's start the video. One of the most important point that I have to mention in today's video, that is related to the Infosys like Infosys joinings related. So the Infosys update. Okay, so first we have to just put here so we can easily understand all the important points. Okay, so this is related to that. So first we talk about the Infosys April and remaining joining. Then what about the Capgemini direct hiring, 19 December joining and Wipro starting. One of the most important point that I have to mention in today's video, that candidates are waiting from so many months. Okay, so the March candidates got the joining as the 19 December. I already mentioned in my previous video that, okay, like 22 March or 21 March candidates got the joining letter related to 19 December. Most probably April candidates, April and the remaining joining candidates are covered in the January to Feb phase. Okay, because in the on the January there is a new joining date attached to January 2023. Okay, so this is related to a new joining date, and most probably so many candidates, if you are waiting from if you received the selection mail on April, or if you are waiting and still not got joining, so most probably they will cover you in the next January to March or January to Feb phase. Okay, depends on their requirement. Most probably candidates got the joining mail from the Infosys team, and so many candidates already joined the Infosys team, and they are like on the 23 November they have to go to the Mysore campus for the offline training and for the offline examination. Okay, so please don't lose hope, because most probably they are covered in you in the next phases, because on the January to January is the new joining date, and 19 December joining is for many phases, many candidates, because there is a one news viral that is related, like Infosys will onboard more than 20,000 freshers on 19 December. So it will be totally depends on the Infosys team, but I have to suggest, if you are waiting, so the process is ongoing and they will share you details soon. Okay, so this is the update that is related to April, and all about that they are covered you in the form of next phases. Okay, and according to your requirement and condition they will onboard you earlier also. Okay, it will totally depends on them. What about the Capgemini direct hiring 2022 batch? This type of mail got by candidate Capgemini Exceller CSG IT enables contact support group role availability confirmation. I suggest you one important point. If you are interested for this role, so you have to fill this survey. Otherwise, don't fill this, because they already mentioned that, and they just mentioned that you have to fill before the Tuesday 15 November 2022. Like if you are already selected for the analyst role, so please send one mail to Capgemini team that if you applied for this, or if you if you respond yes for this, so they will give you analyst opportunity or not, because I think they will not give you two opportunity, and this is a contact support group role availability confirmation. So it will totally depends up to you. Okay, you have to send one mail. Otherwise, if you are not interested, don't fill. Okay, I don't think like they will like if you don't fill this, so they will, it will affect your analyst position, because the analyst position is different and this, okay. And you have to also ask like they are providing new opportunity that is related to analyst or not, okay. So they will confirm you. So if you got this mail, so you can fill according to your interest. Otherwise, if you are not interested, don't fill. Wipro start onboarding more than 1000 freshers. This news also viral. After month of delay, Wipro has finally confirmed that SEAM student. SEAM is hiring of Wipro that is related to the like 3-year courses hiring, or for the diploma candidates will be on board on November 16, 2022 based on business requirement. Onboarding for Elite and Turbo is expected to occur in December and January respectively. This is a very good news for the Elite and Turbo. They just mentioned that December to January. Most probably the phase is, for Elite the phase is January to April, and for the Turbo there is a December to January. They are just mentioning that November 16 is the onboarding date and November 21 is the joining date, okay. As many 20,000 freshers who have been offered a job at Wipro were scheduled to begin in June to August and is still waiting for joining, and this impacted their careers also. They just mentioned that related to their revenue and all of the important point. The phases is January to April for the Elite, and the for the Turbo most probably December is the month, okay. We can expect some of the onboarding in the December month. And if I talk about some of the important points, so they will give you joining as soon as possible according to their timelines. But if you are still waiting for Infosys joining, okay, don't worry about that, the process is ongoing. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And like you can check all of the videos on our channel that is related to important updates. You can DM us on Instagram for important queries. Thanks for watching the video.